Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I'm your mathematics teacher Afia Farooq from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Yes, we are going to start multiplication. But first revise all your tables from 2 to 10. Kids, what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 sets or groups. And in each set we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 objects. So, in form of addition, it can be written as 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now, in form of multiplication, it can be written as 3 multiplied by 4. So, we will multiply by saying the table as 3 4s are 12. So, multiplication is a fast way of adding a series of numbers. Let's multiply. Remember, say the tables to multiply. Here we have 2 plates of strawberries, 1, 2, and there are 4 strawberries in each plate as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in multiplication form, it can be written as 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to, say the tables to multiply. 4 2s are 8. Good. Multiplication in horizontal form. Kids, we can multiply in 2 ways. First one is horizontal form. When we multiply 2 numbers side by side is called horizontal form. Here 3 and 4 is multiplied by side. So these are all examples of multiplication in horizontal form. Now let's multiply in horizontal form. But remember, say the tables to complete these. So, 3 4s are 12. Good. 5 7s are 35. Very good. 6 8s are 48. 9 2s are 18. Good. Multiplication in vertical form. Now we will discuss how to multiply in vertical form. In vertical form, we lining up the digits in columns by place value, as we stacking the digits 5 and 4 in one's column and then draw the symbol of multiplication to the left of bottom number. Then again say the tables to multiply as 5 4s are 20. Here students, 20 is 2-digit number, so 0 will move in one's column and 2 will move in tens column. Now take another example. Here first we line up the numbers 3 and 9 in one's column. Then again we say the tables to multiply as 3 9s are 27. Here 27 is again 2-digit number, so 7 will move in one's column and 2 will move in tens column. Multiplication by 0. What is 0? 0 means nothing. Let's take an example. 2 learn the concept of zero. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 fish pot, and there are 3 fish in first pot and 2 fish in third pot, but there is no fish in second pot. So, no fish means 0. 0 is multiplied by any number, we get 0. And any number multiplied by 0 is again 0. Now let's practice some questions. Question number 1. A part, 0 is multiplied by 4 is equal to. As we have learned that when 0 is multiplied by any number, we will get 0. Good. Now in B part, 6 is multiplied by 0 and we will get, again remember, we have learned that when any number is multiplied by 0, so again we will get 0. Question number 2. Here in first part, 5 is multiplied by some number and the answer is 0. Remember students, we have learned that when 5 or any number is multiplied by 0, so we will get 0. Again, 7 is multiplied by 0 and the answer is 0. Word problems of multiplication, page number 69. Solve this word problem. There are 6 flower pots. Each flower pot has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? Students, look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 flower pots and there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers in each pot. So, in vertical form, we can write it as 6 multiplied by 4. Again, remember, to multiply, we say the tables. So, 6 fours are 24. 4 will move in 1's column and 2 will move in 10's column. Students, hope you have learned the concepts of multiplication very well. So do all the questions of page number 66, 67 and 69. Thank you. Stay blessed.